ELF stock analysis and ELF stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only person in this space that has done 40,000 videos and documented them all. And I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I have the proof of everything, right? With e.l.f. Beauty, it's nice. It's very nice. I'm telling you this because, you know, the price is pumping 9%. And the only thing that I kind of like, it's going to be that shift, man. It's going to be how the price pumped up above this high. I mean, unironically, all I'm looking to do here is just double down on this. I know like intraday it's pumping, but this is the exact pump that I'm looking to do freaking double down on. It's like in these short bursts of windows where you just capitalize, but it's at the top, you know, I'm praying for a little pull down and a double break. And if that does not quite happen, then I guess I'm not going to buy, you know. Last thing I'm going to do, man, is just start here, sit here and just force trades. No, I'm not sure if I have previous e.l.f. seats, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10k per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.